Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how we can display variant specific images for any product. Okay, what does it mean? Let's say if we change variant, only that specific variant images should be displayed on screen. It's good for better conversion. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin how we can do that. First of all, we will follow this article. First of all, we will create a meta field. Okay, what meta field I meant is we will go to settings, then go to meta field, meta object, then go to products. Here we will add a definition that is called variant image. Okay, then set the type true false. Okay, done, then save. So our meta field has been created. Let's go to a product. I have picked this one product. What we are going to do is we can see here the meta field variant image. So we will set it to true because we want variant specific images for this product. Okay, let's save it. Then uh, we will set variants. In my case, we have already a variant called color. It's at the first uh, place. Okay, so we will label these images based on this color variant. Okay, first one is black. We'll click on the image and set the alter text to black. Okay, okay, done. Then we will move to the second one, second image. It's actually sky blue. Make sure the alter text is fully matches with the color variant name. Okay, let's save it. Then it's crimson red, this one. Make sure the spelling is also correct. Okay, then army green, this one, army green. Okay, then ivory, the all the remaining images will be ivory. Okay, let's save them one by one. We are almost done. Replace it in this file. Okay, then hit save. Okay, okay, our task is done. Then let's go to this product and reload this one. You can see the black variant is selected, so we can see only the black image. Let's select ivory, then we can see only the ivory colored images. Similarly, if we change the other variant, we will see only that variant specific images. Okay, I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much.